I'm Shirley and welcome to Shirl's Foodies. Today I'm back with another new recipe. So we'll learn how to make and decorate a pineapple cake.
So the ingredients that we require are 3 cups of flour, 1 and 1 half cup of milk, this is whole milk, half cup of oil, 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of pineapple extract, half teaspoon of salt and 4 teaspoon baking powder. First we'll mix the dry ingredients. So to the flour we'll add baking powder and salt. We'll mix it and then keep it aside. Now to make the batter, we'll first add in oil and milk. Now we'll whisk it. Now we'll add sugar. Make sure you first sift and add the sugar. Now mix it really well. This we'll add the pineapple extract. Just give it a quick stir. Now we'll add the dry ingredients. Make sure you add the dry ingredients in 3 batches and sift it before you add it. Just mix it well. Now add the second batch of flour. And mix it well. Now we'll add the last batch of flour. And whisk it well until everything is nicely incorporated. So friends, here in a bowl I have some yellow food coloring mixed in hot water. Now we'll add the color mixture in the batter. Just mix it well. Friends, here I've added just a little bit of color, so we've got a pale yellow color. We don't want much yellowish color. And over here I have used only 1/4 cup of water. I've kept aside 1/4 cup because we don't require it anymore. We've got the right consistency. Now finally we're gonna add in lemon juice. Now we'll add lemon juice and quickly mix it. So friends, here your batter is ready. This is the flowing consistency that you need. And here I have a cake tin lined with parchment paper and greased well. Now I'm going to transfer the batter to this cake tin. Now preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake this cake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Friends, here my cake is ready. Now we'll start making the frosting. Now we'll first cut the cake into two halves and then put a big scoop of icing on top and then spread it evenly. And make sure you cover each and every side properly. Now we'll place the second layer on top. I'm done frosting the middle layer. Just place the second layer on top. Put a big scoop of icing and spread it evenly. Make sure the amount of icing is enough to cover the whole cake. So friends, here our crumb coat is ready. Now we'll refrigerate it for about half an hour and then we'll do a final frosting. Now we'll do a final coating. So again add a big scoop of icing. Cover the cake well. Spread it evenly and level it from all the sides. Now I'm done frosting the cake well. Now we'll start piping the edges. Take a star nozzle and make designs like this. Finally, when you are done making the border from the top, refrigerate it for about half an hour. Friends, here I have piping gel. I have shown how to make this in my previous video, and the link of the same is given down below in the description box. Pour the piping gel and spread it evenly and cover the top. Now after you are done covering the top layer, we'll refrigerate it for another half an hour and then we'll further decorate the cake. Now place small cubes of pineapple on top like this as I'm placing. Here you can see I've placed all the pineapple cubes. And finally now place a small cherry in the middle. So friends, your pineapple cake is ready. It looks really very tasty. Please do try this recipe at home.
So friends, if you like this recipe, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.